Welcome to the world of Aarogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Aarogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Aarogya portal provided to you with Aarogya HMIS.
First is IDSP Report, that is Integrated Disease Surveillance Program. The IDSP is a government-run program that acts as an early warning system for disease outbreaks. Through this report, we get real-time updates on any serious diseases by monitoring patient-wise report of positive cases. These reports are vital and are regularly shared with government bodies to help prevent large-scale outbreaks. Second is Repeated Admission Report. This report helps us identify patients who have been admitted to our hospital multiple times. For example, insurance patients like Mahesh Kumar Gogu and Mr. Abhinav have been admitted twice, while Shruti Rajakshmi has been admitted 3 times. Tracking repeated admissions is important for understanding chronic cases and improving care strategies. Third is Patient Medicine Details Report. This report gives us detailed information on medicines provided to patients. Using filters, we can view data like medicine name, batch number, expiry date, unit, quantity, and total amount. For example, azithromycin with specific batch and expiry details or Dolo 650 prescribed to Shravani Kumar is also shown here. It helps monitor inventory and usage accurately. Fourth is IPD Service Report. This is a dynamic and detailed report with multiple filter options like organization-wise, consultant-wise, department-wise, and even room category-wise. For example, on the first floor, patients receive services from consultants like Dr. Chandra and Dr. Shuna, and we can also see the total cost of services provided. In the cardiology department, Ajay Pratap received several services with associated cost. Similarly, we can view consultant-wise report such as Dr. Aram Singhania treating Astoch or Dr. Archana Balakrishnan treating Pratik Raj, along with the cost and type of services provided. The fifth is Consultant Referred Wise Report. This report shows the referral source of patients, whether they are self-referred, referred by a consultant, or belong to a particular organization. For instance, Aritra Singh and Aman Singh are self-referred, while Rohan was referred by Dr. Aritra Singh. We can also get to see if a patient belongs to insurance groups like Aditya Birla Health. These 5 reports, IDSP, Repeated Admission, Patient Medicine Details, IPD Service Report, and Consultant Referred Report, together provide a comprehensive overview of patient data and hospital operations. Thank you for watching.